Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive flip showing you how to do sway kicks. Knowing how to do first move kicks would be really helpful, and knowing how to do a sway would be really helpful. So I'll put links to those in the description below because between them they're going to kind of make sure you've got all the technique in the bag that you're going to need to be able to do this. We're going to jump straight in and show you what it looks like. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's put it all together. We start off man's right, lady's right. We go semicircle back. We wrap into a sway as usual. We're going to pick up the spare hand because that's going to help, and we're going to sway the lady back on the right, and it's important that the guy steps back on the right as well. So we're all back on our right. From here, we're going to lead a step with the left, but we're going to lift so we can get a kick. So we're going to go kick. But as we put it down, we're going to rotate left. And we're going to keep that rotation to the left going, because now we're going to do a kick on the right. Ladies, your kick's going to go straight forwards. Guys, yours should go between the lady's legs. And then you put it down, you're still between the lady's legs. We then keep the rotation going to kick number 3, kick number 4, kick number 5, kick number 6. With a bit of luck, you should be back all the way around to where you started. We're going to do a little rotation to the left and a step back. So we're all going to step back left, rocking through, send the lady away, come to face, hand change or not, it's up to you, return and back. So now from the other side, exactly the same thing, and we will talk numbers. So we go back 1, wrap 2, sway 3, then we kick 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, step back 2, send the lady away 3, face 4, returning 5, and back 6. Obviously, fast and slow endings of sways apply, etc, etc, etc. You could kick for less, end up facing a different direction. You could kick for more if you want to do that. The one thing I would say about the kicks is keep them kind of toe down and almost brushing the floor, so you're keeping them nice and tidy. You don't want to start making them wild, because that's where you're probably going to start causing your partner trouble. So just keep them nice and into the floor and you'll be nice and safe. So let's try it. Here we go, all together. Man's right, lady's right. 5, 6, sway. Kicks, we go a back, wrap, sway right, kick, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back, away and look, return and back. That's the whole thing. Hope you enjoy that one out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.